and girls. I am very happy that you're able to join us again today. Now, over this past week, we talked about some different 3D shapes. And we'll just take a look up here. I'm going to point at them and we'll say the 3D shapes together. We have a sphere, a cube, cylinder, and cone. And today, boys and girls, we're going to talk about two other 3D shapes, and we're going to start with this shape right here. Now, this shape here is called a rectangular prism, and it kind of looks like a brick to me, or a building block. But you know what it looked like to me when I was looking around my house? It looked just like this. Now, I bet a lot of you have these around your house this time of year with it being allergy season. And this is a box of Kleenex. And a box of Kleenex is the shape that we call a rectangular prism. Now let's take a look. When we look at a rectangular prism, it gets its name because it's full of, what shape is that? Rectangles! That's right, it's full of rectangle faces. So let's count how many rectangular faces a rectangular prism has. We'll start at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So a rectangular prism has 6 faces. Now let's count how many corners a rectangular prism has. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a rectangular prism has 6 faces and 8 corners. Wow, I bet you could find lots and lots of things around your house that's the same shape as our box of Kleenex here, or as a rectangular prism. Now, here is another 3D shape that might be a little bit trickier to find around your house. I know I had a hard time finding an example to show you. Just gonna move, my little flower there. There we go. All right, so the next 3D shape I'm going to show you is called a pyramid. Now, there are many different types of pyramids, but today I'm just going to show you this pyramid, and it is called a square-based pyramid. And I'll show you the example that I found. Believe it or not, in my son's room, this is a little digging toy, and you get like a little hammer and you dig it away. It's kind of made out of like a soft clay. And inside, there's something hidden inside there, but you'd have to kind of be like an archaeologist to dig it up to find it. And I found that in his room, and I was like, hey, that's exactly what I needed. It's a square-based pyramid. And it gets its name because if you look at the base of it, what shape do we see? That's right, it's a square. So it is a square-based pyramid. And take a look when you look at our pyramid shape. What other shape do you see on our pyramid? That's right, it's full of triangles as well. Now, let's count how many sides a square-based pyramid has. Let's start with the square at the bottom. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our square-based pyramid has 5 sides, or 5 faces, and let's count how many corners it has. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, and don't forget the one on top, 5. So our square-based pyramid has 5 faces and 5 corners. Wow. Now, that would be a challenge for you to find a toy or something in your house that was the same shape as our square-based pyramid. All right. Now, boys and girls, for fun, I have a little poem for you, and it's about 3D shapes. All right, so bear with me here. The poem goes like this. 3D shapes are fat, not flat. A cone is like a party hat. Oh, there we go. A sphere is like a bouncing ball. A prism is a building tall. Oops. A cylinder is like a can of pop. And a cube is like the dice you drop. 3D shapes are here and there. 3D shapes are everywhere. All right, boys and girls, I hope you had some fun with me today, and I hope that you enjoy your long weekend. All right, boys and girls, until next time, bye.